Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the aspect ratio of your projects on the Inshot application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Inshot app on your device. And when you open it up, you can start creating any new project or continue editing any of your old ones. Now, once you are within the timeline menu, you may add more media if you wish by tapping on the plus icon. Now, if you wish to change the aspect ratio of your project, tap on the canvas menu, and now you can pinch to zoom in and set your canvas manually, or you will also find various different presets at the bottom section. Within this, you can also find the different logos, which will indicate which platform it is most suitable for. Just tap on your desired aspect ratio and then tap on the tick mark, and this will now be applied to your project right away. You can now continue your edit with your chosen aspect ratio, and there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the aspect ratio within your project on the Inshot application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.